Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase tickets for the Fondation Louis Vuitton online. This is a very simple thing to do, and if you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long wait times, you can purchase the tickets using the first link you're going to see right here down in the description of this video. Once you go ahead and open up that link, it's going to take you to this page right here from where we can get started. So you're going to be able to select which option you prefer. Let's say this one right here. This is where you're going to purchase the entry tickets, and then you can click check availability to take a look at all the available dates you can purchase the tickets for. So let's say we want to use Friday the 14th. Right here you're going to go ahead and be able to select what kind of ticket you want, a premium ticket or premium ticket family. Let's say we only want one premium ticket, and then you're going to go to the next page where you can go ahead and upgrade your experience if you're interested. If not, just click the no thanks button and go to the personal details page. On this page you're going to be able to fill out all the info such as the first name, last name, email address, and phone number that you're using. So once you fill out all of this, make sure to fill it out correctly. You're going to go to the next payment page, and it's going to look like this. This is going to be the menu where you can go and take a look at all the payment methods that you have available, such as Apple Pay, debit and credit card, PayPal, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at which one we want to use. So let's say we want debit and credit card, which one suits you the most. You're going to click on it, and then it's going to open up the new menu from where you can get started filling out all your info. So once you provide your info and go ahead and make the purchase successful using the pay button, your tickets are going to arrive on your email address that you have used for registering your account on this platform. So there you have it. Go to the description of this video, find the link, and open it up to get your tickets. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.